It's about 2 degrees Celsius today. They're calling for a bit of snow, and we have kayakers out on the lake. There's another 2 over there. One just went by. I get it. I feel the same way. I'm going to hang on as long as I can. They're all bundled up. Actually, those are both canoes. The one that just went by was a kayak. I don't know if they're together. So I think next week I'm going to cover up the vases and muffler and engine. So glad I got the crawl space done yesterday. I will show you later. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my coffee. So it's been raining all day, like all day, and it hasn't lightened up. I was hoping that between showers that I could possibly get rocks down where we have the rocks by the beach, and bring them over to the tree to build that little garden around the daylilies. But it just hasn't stopped. So I haven't been out. Yeah, it's been like this all day. Even when those kayakers were out, it was just very lightly, not showers, but just little drizzles. It had been doing that in the morning, and then it just got more steady. We've had a bit of rain here and there, but it's just little showers throughout the day. So I wanted to show you what I did with the crawl space. Can't go in, but just how I sealed it up and that sort of thing. So hopefully tomorrow will be nicer. I don't anticipate that this is going to stop anytime soon, and tomorrow's supposed to be a similar day. So I don't know, maybe what I'll do is remove the some of that paneling, the wood paneling. Maybe I'll take a couple of those out and prep stuff for next week, and I'll start with the tile behind the stove if I can. Days like this I just can't do anything outside, and I was hoping to get those things done and staple where in front of the cottage where I'm gonna do the little deck, and yeah, just in preparation for the deck. And I haven't been able to do that, and move that soil around a little bit because I don't want it that close to the cottage. So just moving it out, spreading it towards the Generac would be better. So haven't been able to do anything out there. Anyhow, I have been chilling, so that's been good. So it has been raining all day again. I'm disappointed that I wasn't able to get the things that I wanted done, such as the rock wall down by the water, as well as bring up rocks to put around the little lilies on the septic bed. I was really hoping to get that done. One less thing to do in the spring, but it doesn't look like it. I also wanted to staple down the plastic at the front of the cottage where I'm going to build the deck. I'm still hopeful that I can do the deck this year. I don't know. If it rains like this, obviously I can't, but if it's not raining, I can definitely work outside. But this is how it's been all day. It's clouded over, really gloomy. Yeah, so wish I had my wood stove so I could get a fire going in here. It's still not wet certified. I'm still waiting for that. So that's a bit of a challenge. So tomorrow, if this nonsense stops, then I will try for the rocks and doing that wall down by the beach. So gonna get another coffee, start dinner, and yeah, keep my fingers crossed that tomorrow is going to be less wet. So I'm out and it's been raining all weekend. And it's starting to come down again, so I'm going back in. Nope, it's still raining. Can you imagine?